camera opens on a dimly lit road at dawn, the sky just beginning to glow. A silhouette glides into frame, sharp, confident, unmistakably modern. And as the light breaks over its edges, the 2026 Renault Megane reveals itself like a quiet challenge to every rival in its class. You're not just looking at a hatchback, you're looking at Renault rethinking what a daily driver can feel like. From the outside, the Megane wears a cleaner, more sculpted design than ever. The new LED signature cuts through the front fascia with a determined look, and the lower stance gives it a planted, athletic feel even before the wheels move. Walk around it, and you'll notice how the subtle creases along the body carry your eyes from front to back, where a single light bar stretches across the rear, sleek, minimal, and undeniably premium. Slide inside, and the Megane shifts from sporty to surprisingly refined. Soft-touch materials wrap around the cabin, and the floating center display blends into a driver-oriented digital cluster with beautifully smooth animations. Renault's latest infotainment system feels quicker, cleaner, and far more intuitive than previous years, and the ambient lighting quietly elevates nighttime drives. Space is practical, visibility is excellent, and the seats offer just the right mix of comfort and side support for spirited driving. But the real personality of the 2026 Megane comes alive when you hit the road. Powered by Renault's updated hybrid powertrain, it delivers a stronger electric assist, smoother transitions, and a notable bump in efficiency. Acceleration is responsive, especially in sport mode, where the electric motor fills in torque instantly, giving the car a lively push off the line. It's not trying to be a performance hot hatch, yet it feels eager in a way that makes everyday driving genuinely fun. Fuel economy is impressive, and most city trips glide in near-silent EV operation. On twisting roads, the steering feels sharper, more precise, and the suspension balances comfort with confident body control. Technology is where the Megane surprises even more. Enhanced driver assistance features are smoother and less intrusive, the cameras deliver crisp clarity, and the new Energy Flow display adds a bit of theater to the hybrid system without feeling gimmicky. For 2026, the Renault Megane starts at a competitive price point that makes its tech, refinement, and hybrid performance feel like strong value. Key highlights include the upgraded hybrid drivetrain, improved digital cockpit, refined exterior styling, and its well-tuned balance between comfort and agility. As the camera pulls back and the Megane rolls into the fading light, it leaves behind a sense of quiet confidence, a car that doesn't need to shout to make its point. And if this is where Renault is heading, the next chapter of our automotive journey is going to be even more exciting. Stay close, the road ahead has some incredible machines waiting.